Dapper nipples. Everything is in divine order. Everything is in divine order. The universe, nature, giving thanks to the creator, creator. Everything is in divine order. Everything is in divine order. Universe, nature, giving thanks to the creator, creator. When you meet somebody that you love, when you meet somebody that you care for, just give thanks. Yeah. When you meet somebody that you love, when you meet somebody that you care for, just give thanks. Everything is in divine order. Everything is in divine order. The universe and nature, giving thanks to the creator, creator. Everything is in divine order. Everything is in divine order. The universe, nature, giving thanks to the creator, creator. Bigging up my daughter Janelle, gonna be 5 this year. Daddy loves you unconditionally, and we'll see you soon. Bigging up all my family members, bigging up all the associates I know, all the friends that I've made in my life, even bigging up the strangers. Everything is in divine order. Dapper nipples, keeping it simple.